And that make me and you left. And that make me not deal with you no more. The night when my bike get thief, at them time I start fuck massive. Yeah, at the night, at 2 days after I start fuck her. Yeah, if you want me tell me I be real with you now. Yeah, in the night when you come under the life, girl, you don't know the situation me in as a blood. That's why I know you're not a real man. No man never want a bitch like you. Cause you don't know if you keep a man. How the hell you can't come for one life? You don't know what the fuck I take place. You don't know what's wrong with me. You don't know nothing. You just come for the life, see me I cry, and start. Hey, what the first thing you say? You're careless. You're careless. We have come tell the business to life. Them can't help you. Girl, are you fucking crazy? Are you mad? Are you mad? Bro, you don't know the situation me in. Cause first thing, me have a girlfriend. I'm a cool one life, go up our life. My girlfriend call me. I miss her cry or whateve. Girl, for sure you don't have no heart. You don't have no heart for nobody. And that I'm gonna be a downfall, dirty girl. Make sure you give back $30 or $500 for the bedroom set where you go buy. Dirty girl, cause Twep Twep, you're mad. You're mad because me never bring my bedroom set, go bring it in your house. And that's why you're really mad. Come tell the people that I'm really truth. Twep Twep, me never did tell them I want to come in your place. Remember, I'm trying to tell that the sort of door spot. Me keep on telling them that I never move in your place. So what you say? She will post everything on the media and the media know everything. She gonna make yeah, girl, you been a chat me. I go down tonight. I'll Onela. You call Onela and blood clot a chat me. Right, then me there hear every blood clot thing. I'm here you chat me all long. I'm sit down on my wallet. Cheese where you thinking of your blood clot life. My best friend where you say and thinking of your life and business with me and you ask her. And she a hold me down long time. I say, Matic, don't go on this with Twep Twep. Make she alone go on it. Ask her, she right there. Behind my back, front my face. She's a tell me leave you alone. Make you alone go on it. So all along when you say whatever, she's done blood clot business. With when me I go with you, cause she ever say, me not say nothing, cause you go right back Matic. She don't have nothing to say. Everybody will be good to you. Everybody will be good to you. And them people they choose who and bring down. Remember you tell me say you build Jomo house and them family turn around and throw you out. So all of a sudden, Jomo this good person and Jomo have ambition. Big check tell me say Jomo have the ambition I'm out list. And you more you sit down and mind him. Make we get technical now, cause you say me and you all talking about people. Anything I may talk, may interact with talk, and may lay down and fuck at night time, so may interact with lay down and pillar and talk. So where I say? Eh? Where I say? Where I say? Anything at all may you talk about, it may you supposed to talk about, cause me was together. So-called together. You feel like I saw you treat people one time, people dead for you. Bro, you tell me about your baby father. You want me going in that story there? And about your baby father this and baby father that. You want me really going at that for you? You want me really going at that? You want me really get there? Eh? Twep Twep, we really want to go in there? Because we can't do it. When I go today, I'm not go with you again, you know. I'm not going with you again, you know. I'm done, you know, because I have better things to think about. And you worry about me a long time, I know you're bad mind, because you come talk about say, my wife not give me no papers. Oh, dearie, you want me to know Twep Twep, you talk to all my wife, I know my wife dearly in love with me. I want me to deal with her for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. I'm going to call her today, tomorrow. Twep Twep should come in right there, she there. Right there, she there, Twep Twep. Me and you know that. Exactly, she knows she know me I do my paperwork. Even one night me and her talk about it. Night before last night when she come with the baby and make problem. And she said, you still do your paperwork?